step that way.
Right there?
Quarter step to the front. Quarter step. Right there. All right, ready? All right, so I'm here with our other WAKA member. This is Andrew. Andrew, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I am the diehard Mopar guy, I guess you could say. Currently right now I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, actually two of them. Currently in the search for possibly a new Ram, which possibly might be a new video coming up.
Yes, stay tuned. So have you ever go-karted before?
I have a couple of times.
So finally somebody with some prior go-karting experience. What is your strategy for getting out on the track today?
Take those straightaways as fast as I can, little brake on the corners, and then power right out of them.
All right, and what is your expectations? Where do you think you're gonna place when this is all said and done?
Is that even a question? Number one.
It's gonna be number one, this guy. Well, there you have it. This is our interview with Drew. Let's see how he does. you did today?
First race I did alright, came in third, and then after that I kind of came in fourth and I believe fourth again. Not bad. I mean, could have done a lot better. Love hitting those corners and drifting though. It was great.
Overall, how was your experience?
It was fantastic. You know, I would definitely come back. I can't wait for another WAKA Motor Day. It's going to be fantastic. By the way, we need to have a moment of silence for JL. He got to a very bad wreck. He got T-boned really hard. I got injured. I think he might be dead. So
Let's see the injury.
And no, it's not a hickey. He died. It's okay.
There you have it.